Welcome to this short video introducing you to the safe and successful use of the MSHA-listed Touch and Seal Mine Ventilation Control System. In just a few minutes, you'll cover a number of key topics, including safety, assembly, application, and more. In the future, should you need to review specific content, use the time codes in this table of contents to scroll ahead to that topic. Now let's get started. Touch and Seal Mine Foam is used for controlling mine ventilation by sealing air leaks in and around metal, wood, and concrete, seals, stoppings, and overcasts. It also provides sound and thermal insulation. It cures quickly for a strong bond on a wide range of surfaces and temperatures, including brattice cloth. Touch and Seal Mine Foam comes in a water-resistant, heavy-duty, wax-coated carton, making it ideal for use in mines. The Mine Foam system is fire retardant and meets or exceeds all MSHA specifications. As with any mining activity, safety is top priority. Touch and Seal Mine Foam uses pressurized spray polyurethane foam, requiring only a few simple safety precautions. Always wear safety glasses or goggles, gloves, long sleeves, and pants for full body coverage, and provide adequate ventilation in compliance with MSHA regulations. Before assembling the kit, put on your safety glasses and gloves. Now, we'll look inside the Touch and Seal package. First, tear out the Rip and Go panel to access the handle. You can now carry the unit to the worksite. The Mine Foam 2-component system comes complete with everything you need to get the job done. 2 canisters of the Mine Foam chemicals in a wax-coated box, a 10-foot hose, pre-assembled spray foam applicator, an accessory pack containing a pair of gloves, a wrench, a packet of O-ring lubricant, 2 fan nozzles and 8 conical nozzles, a safety sheet, and an instruction manual. To assemble, open the top of the carton and remove the spray foam applicator hose assembly, the accessory bag, and the operating instructions. Lay the chemical hoses in the carton notches as shown. Make sure the spray foam applicator safety is locked to prevent accidental discharge. Then, turn the dial on each canister counterclockwise 3 turns. This allows the chemical to flow into the hoses. Now, close the carton top. Next, prepare the spray foam applicator hose assembly by purging the lines to ensure the proper mixture of the Mine Foam chemicals. The chemicals are visible through the chemical hoses. Aim the spray foam applicator without attaching a nozzle towards a safe spot away from people or equipment and disengage the safety lever. Depress the trigger until you get 2 roughly equal streams of chemicals. That means the lines are purged and the chemicals are ready to use. Re-engage the spray foam applicator safety lever and attach the nozzle with a 1/4 turn. Although the spray foam applicators are pre-lubricated, you can also apply the enclosed lubricant to the O-ring, like this. Start by turning off the safety on the spray foam applicator. Hold the spray foam applicator with the nozzle 24 inches or less from the surface being sealed, as mandated by MSHA. Squeeze the trigger and use steady, even strokes to apply a thin layer of Mine Foam to the surface being sealed. Apply about a 1/2 inch thickness. As you can see, Mine Foam expands a lot. For best results, apply thin layers of foam rather than one thick one. This will allow you to get maximum yield from each container. You can use the spray foam applicator to control the volume of foam being sprayed, and the spray foam applicator swivels during use to reduce stress on the operator. Mine Foam cures quickly, so check for hardened material in the nozzle every time you use your kit. Be sure to clean the spray foam applicator barrel and replace a clogged mixing nozzle before continuing. And if you stop for more than 30 seconds, replace the mixing nozzle. To get the full 200 board foot coverage specified by the Mine Foam ventilation kit, be sure to keep the package upright during use and storage. be sure to also keep the canisters inside the carton to comply with MSHA regulations. Store mine foam in a warm MSHA-approved storage location. For best results, the recommended temperature of the chemical is 70 to 90 degrees Fahrenheit. Chemical temperatures below that may begin to affect curing times, A and B component ratio mix, and other properties. To store the mine foam kit for later use, turn off all chemical valves, clean the spray foam applicator barrel, keep the clogged nozzle attached, and set the spray foam applicator safety. If you'll be saving a partially used mine foam ventilation kit for more than a week, be sure to purge the spray foam applicator hose assembly to repressurize them every week and keep the material fresh with minimal loss.
The first thing you'll notice about the Touch and Seal mine foam system is the carton itself. The carton is a heavy-duty waxed carton which provides great water resistance. No one else in the mining industry provides this, and this protects you in the mines when you're in wet conditions so the carton doesn't fall apart. The other things you'll begin to notice are that this is a 200 board foot fire retardant system. No one else offers you so much in this package. The material also meets and exceeds all MSHA listed requirements. On the top, you notice that we have graphics which clearly explain how to open and set up the unit itself. And we also have an easy rip and go opening system which provides you access to the contents of the carton itself. And on the back, we also have the MSHA suitability number and safety information provided for you. Let's talk about the spray system. You'll notice that we have dual translucent hoses. The purpose of this is so that when you turn on the canisters, you can see if chemicals are flowing. And if there are chemicals in both hoses, then you should have a good flow through the gun itself. This is the P2 gun, which is manufactured by Convenience Products. It's easy swivel, which makes it very easy if you're doing a lot of spraying. It also contains a positive trigger lock. In the out position, you can pull the trigger and activate the materials, they will flow. In the locked position, the safety is on and you're not able to spray any foam. The mixing nozzles are simply inserted in bayonet fashion, twisted, and then they're firmly installed. First thing we're going to do is look at the gun and make sure that the safety lever is pressed in. The next thing is to check the black O-ring on the barrel. Make sure there's lubricant on it. If not, apply some additional lubricant from the package provided in your accessory package. The next item, check the orifices. This is what the chemicals come out of, and they should be free and clear of any instructions. Put on your gloves, open the valves of the canisters. If a leak occurs where the hoses are connected to the canister, use the wrench that's provided in your kit and tighten the hoses and connection gently. This doesn't happen very often, but sometimes the connections come a little bit loose in transportation. Next thing you want to do is you want to purge the hoses. There's gas in the hoses, so what you will do is you will open up the safety and spray the foam for a second or two until all the gas leaves the hoses. Now you have two roughly equal streams of chemicals coming out of the front of the gun. You see there's material on the gun. Make sure you lock it, safety. Clean off the edge of the barrel and assemble the mixing tip to the gun by inserting and turning. Close the carton. And wrap the hose, preparing the carton for transportation. Pull out the handle, and you're ready to go.
Если вы начнете сразу ломать.
А если отпал?
Как отпал?
Взрыв, волна.
Но они не взрывоустойчивые, я вам скажу.
Для тебя, Константин, сейчас сделаю видеоинструкцию. Да мне хуй делать.
Смотри, идти,
Да,
да?
это управление.
Ты для молодых делай, бля, инструкцию.
А он, кстати, уходить второго.
Я уж пенсионер, бля.
А он пойдет на ВШТ это замом.
Кто?
Константин
Почему?
говорит, заебали вы меня.
Блоки таскать, блядь, цемент. Всю хуйню. Так наоборот разминка хорошо. А так все кости застоятся. Я наоборот стараюсь даже, вот сейчас блоки грузил, сам пошел грузить. Один грузил. Молодец.
А Геннадьевич говорил, что он грузил.
Мы одну партию мы вместе с ним грузили, а вторую
Уже не один.
А он не один, да, вместе со мной был.
Нет, там красный для другого.
Надо потом баллон на ту сторону, наверное, переносить. И нам надо
Пахнет
будет-
как пена.
Ну, она, наверное,
Попробуй
то
на
и есть.
На основе пены еще просто какой-то колющий элемент, да, в ней присутствует.
Наверное.
Ну, это специальный клей. Он даже шахтер, химич.
Чье производство?
Америка.
Вроде как бы это ровненько.
Ну, у нас еще 15 ездим. Они...
Давай, ну вот это сначала положим.
Дальний?
Да, вот это.
А воду не надо смачивать, ничего?
Смочили. Можно смочить, но был бы вот что-то проверить.
Веник надо было заморочить.
Просто
сюда.
тогда надо было, может, веник отвести.
Тебя Николаевич
Давай.
придется веники выдавать.
Да, да, всякие, да?
Конечно.
Он и так он впитается в бетон.
То есть, это без разницы.
Побольше маленько сделаем. Все, хорош туда. Потом мы его выровняем.
Последний раз.
Потом?
Ну, слушай, ага, маленький потом пойдем.
Не, вообще,
Одного вот там вот стоит.
Что-то низко получился.
они как стали теперь.
А там подпенить побольше нельзя под угол-то?
Может подложить?
Или подложить что-то?
Какой? Ну, что-то не ровно стояли, а тут.
Что-то вроде стояло.
Ну, ничего страшного. То, что они не плотные.
Это Саша, скажи свою любимую фразу.
Здесь вот что-то подложить. Ну,
Да, просто, да, камешек можно подложить.
Охуел.
Пойдет потом.
Ага, ага.
Так и живем.
А че вы его?
Топором. Есть, но
Лучше в него не ляпаться.
херово пилит.
Да, пилил нормально.
Топором как-то получше идет.
Так, все, теперь, ребят,
А, вон тот
смысл поняли?
А, там надо залить?
Давайте.
Вот те в углу. Тахти, и прям так и это. Сейчас, пока бы договаривал фразу. О! Стоял бы.
А, это вот тут разговаривали, это теплоизоляция. Тут самое, да? Хуйня. Вот она и есть. Вот такой запах.
Ну, я говорю, надо очки, может, дать вам? Надо очки.
Глаза.
Вот так и распылять, она быстро набухает.
Ой, как заебись, нам такую штуку. Потому что
А на швы потом лучше чуть-чуть.
да, а наши потом чуть-чуть.
Всегда-то есть, да?
Пена. Все.
Отгребай.